Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, please subscribe the channel. So in today's video, I will discuss a list in Python. So let's start the video. Definition: a list is a built-in data type in Python used to store multiple values in a single variable. Lists are created using square bracket. So a list can contain elements of different data types. This is the uniqueness of list. Characteristic of list. First one is it is ordered. Elements are stored in a specific order. So indexing start from zero. Second one, mutable. Elements can be changed after the list is created. Third one, allow duplicate values. Same element can be appeared on multiple lists. Fourth one, heterogeneous, can store different data types together. The fifth one, dynamic. Size of list can increase or decrease during the execution. The syntax: list of the name in the square bracket, item 1, item 2, item 3. The example fruits is equal to apple, banana, mango. They are in the double quote or single quote. It is known as a string. When we write in some words in the single quote or double quote, it is known as a string. The print fruits, the output is the apple, banana, mango. Creating list. The type of list like a empty list, list of integers, list of strings, mixed data types. You can see that. Pause the video and the see. Adding elements. There are mainly three types of adding elements in the list. Append, adds an elements at the end. Fruits dot append, grapes. Insert, adds an elements at the specific position. In the insert, we need to write a index of that element. Fruits dot insert 1 comma pineapple. Extend, adds multiple elements. Fruits dot extend, and this is the difference, like it is used in the parenthesis and then the square bracket. Removing elements. There are mainly four types of removing elements in the list. Remove first, removes a specific element. Pop function removes an element by index. Del statement, del fruits. You can see that the example. Clear removes all elements by using clear function. List operation concat plus. So list of the name A and B. A list in A 1 comma 2 and B list 3 comma 4. How to concat print A plus B. The second method, use the C is equal to A plus B and then the print the C. Output will be the same, both of the method. A comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. Repetition like a multiplication. The print 1 2 multiply by 3. The output will be the print three times of the elements. As you can see, the 1 2 1 2 1 2 three times. Membership operator. This is the optional because interviewer asked a rarely uh, question on this topic, membership operators. But let's see that print 2 in 1 2 3. So it gives the boolean output. Print 2 in 1 2 3. So it means that the 2 is a present in the list. Yes, it is a present. That's why output is a true. The print 5 not in 1 2 3. It is a 5 present in a 1 2 3, but not in. It is a true. 5 is not present in the list. So it is a true. Slicing. Numbers 10 20 20 30 50, 40 50. Print numbers 1 colon 4. So output will be the indexing start from 0. Then the 1 is a 20 30 40 50. As you can see that, the pause the video and see the methods and purpose. Append function, add elements at the end. Insert function, insert at specific element. extend, add multiple elements, remove function, remove specific element, pop function, remove element by index, clear function, remove all elements, sort, sort the list, reverse, reverse list, count, count occurrence, index function, find index of elements, copy function, create copy of the list. Transfer traversing list. We can say that. So fruits is equal to apple, banana, mango. For atom in fruits, print atom. So list will be the print. This given the output is apple, banana, mango. Length of the list. Numbers 10, 20, 30, 40. Print the length of the numbers like a 10, 20, 30, 40. So 1, 2, 3, 4. There are four elements. So list, the length of the list is a 4. Nested list matrix. It is also rarely used. Matrix in double square bracket is used in the matrix. Advantages of list: easy to create and use, store multiple values in one variable, suppose dynamic resizing, allows different data types, provides many built-in methods. Disadvantages: consumes more memory than arrays. Accessing elements is slower compared to arrays, not suitable for heavy numerical computation. So, thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much. Please subscribe the channel. If you are like this video, please like the button and the share with your friends, colleagues. Thank you so much.